Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you can train your own AI using the Fast AI Image Designer. Okay, so train your own AI. Now, one of the important requests is, can you use your own images or have your own images superposed into designs that you create? So yes, you can do that using the train your own AI section here. So what you have the ability to do, not only can you upload your own image, okay, and create designs based on your own image, or you can actually create an image using the AI image design, okay, using Artistly, and then you could have that design then used to create images based on that design with the AI image design. Okay, so let's see, we've got a number of options. You can use your own image you could upload, or you could use a personal design that you've already created. So once you've already created an image here in the AI image designer, it will automatically be populated in the personal design section. Okay, so if I go over there, let's have a look. I have one that's already been created there. So what I'm going to do, let's jump straight back into train your own AI. I go to select personal design. I select choose design, and you'll see all of the images that have been created will be populated here. Now I'm going to go for this gentleman here that's been created. Okay, and now you can see step 2 has now appeared. Okay, with step 2, you can see I can select the gender, male or female, select different dimensions, okay, that are going to be relevant to the purpose of the graphical design I'm trying to create. And you have this section called similarity. Okay, how similar do you want it from the design that you're using it? So in this instance, maybe I want it to be very high. Okay, I want it as close as possible. So with this gentleman here, you can see there's an example prompt here, astronaut in space. Let's go ahead. A businessman on the moon. As crazy as that, as crazy and as far-fetched that may sound, let's go ahead and see what Artistly does for us, okay, based on this gentleman here that's been uploaded. Okay, so in terms of this training your own AI, we're training the AI to model and create design based on this this gentleman's face, essentially. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate design. And you can see now it will be in the section of personal designs awaiting processing. So remember, we have this gentleman here. We'll give it a few moments and then we shall return. Okay, so now let's look at the primary image that was created using Artistly. Here we have that gentleman there, and let's look at the updated one that has used the uploaded image using this gentleman that was created by Artistly. So imagine this, it could be your own face or similar to, and here we have the gentleman on the moon. Okay, so waist up shot as a businessman on the moon. Okay, so here we have the moon there behind him. Now I can go back if I want to make more versions of it and test which one gets as close as possible. But remember, it's all about the design prompt. I cannot emphasize this enough. Try your best to create a very clear instruction for the prompt, and it will based on that. Okay, so here we have that gentleman there, and you can see that's how it would work. So once you're happy with it, you can actually go and you can download. And remember, you do have the ability to go and further edit this by simply selecting edit image, and it will redirect you to the advanced section of Artistly, where if I now want, I can create I can extend this prompt. I can go and use mirror magic. I can reverse engineer the prompt. I can make tweaks to it, add text to it, make it maybe into an ad. I could use things like object remover if I want to get rid of the moon. Maybe I want to remove the background. Maybe I want to change the face once again. I can do that. If I want to use in painting and make changes to the hair color, the facial features, the nose, the ears, maybe I want to add a beard to him, we can go and we can make more specific changes using the advanced section for Artistly. Okay, and then when you're happy with that, you can actually do all kinds of things using it, exporting it, sharing it, or save it as a template so you can use it time and time again. Okay, and remember, you can also use the amazing feature of Smart Expand, where you can actually go ahead and resize the entire canvas and the image. So even though there's a very strict amount of visual element here, using Smart Expand, it will go ahead and process it and make it 16 by 9 essentially. So we could further use this or repurpose this essential graphic for a YouTube thumbnail or any kind of graphic that we may want it for. So there you got that nice image, a nice color variation blended in. Okay, so Having said that, let's return now to the dashboard. More specifically, let's go back to train your own AI. So just having a recap, remember you can upload your own image, or you can select an image that you created via personal design. Once you've covered that particular step, you can see here, let's have a look. Okay. Then you will have the ability and option to select and specify the gender, the dimensions, and the similarity on how close you want the AI to be trained in getting it as close to the image, or maybe something more subtle. Okay, and then you can generate the example of how you want the character to appear. So really important. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in another video.